how I do it. I'm gonna attach this to the last one I recorded. I showed that live P&L that was earlier this morning. So now what I would do, and I would show you where I'm at, but I'm out in the village right now, cruising, and I locked the profit in and I closed the computer. Whereas though there was so many days at a point in time where whether you have a money goal or just a percentage goal, you're gonna start to chase, right? But me, and as I said earlier in that video, I didn't know what time, I didn't know how many stocks I was gonna trade. What I knew was if it got any slower or stocks were just dropping more or getting weaker, I was gonna go, right? So I didn't see any Chinese names. As I said, that was the sector that was going so much last week. When I came this morning and saw by like 8:30, nothing is really strong. What that told me was to back off a little bit, right? So what I do, I pretty much backed off, exited some of the swing trade I had, and I just waited. And when I ended up getting a perfect play, I made enough, and not even if I would have made nothing or lost a little bit, what I still was gonna do was stop trading, because today's not the day you push it. And like I said, look at those last videos, you'll see what I was saying was those days was the days to push it, right? To put everything to it. Whereas though today, even if something would have looked good, I told myself not to go maximum, right? Win, lose, or draw, trade a few stocks and go. So that's what I do, and that's how I'm able to take a day where maybe it could be bad, maybe it could be small profit, no profit, but it makes it a good day. And when you add that through the year, instead of losing 1,000 on those days or 2,000, whatever your account size is relative to, but it can get bad, right? Because you're essentially swinging at something that's not going to go big for you. So that's how I'll do it. Most days where I really think it's going to be nothing, I'll even pull the risk back a lot more, right? So today I did get aggressive on one dip trade and pretty much just caught it. But if I see like towards the end of the week, it's still slow or whatever, opposed to last week, it was flaming hot, that means I'm just gonna chill. Maybe not trade Friday, right? And you have to kind of set these guides up and parameters for your trading. You seen that one? Because when you do that, now, like for example, on the holidays, right? Or the day before the holiday, I always say the volume's not there. So yeah, something might work, something might go, but then the next holiday, everything just drops. So once I did that over years of trading and saw like, oh wow, before Christmas you might get one play, everything else is so bad. Why would you trade that day before Christmas or before Christmas Eve? And then the weekend is long. Just wait until the new year, come back and go hard. Because at that time, something's probably gonna be stronger and a better opportunity for you, right?
I did Amazon, I did eBay, I did Shopify, I had brick and mortar businesses. Follow me right now, as my main objective every day is to try to make money from the stock market. I'm on the road to 3 million. This episode, I'm not sure what it is, but this is just an intro. And right now you can see me break down videos on here on my YouTube. Look at the books, check everything out, and be in touch. Message me through here, Twitter. Get up with me. It's going to be a phone number, an email, and we can talk about any subject, stocks, crypto, what we need to in business. Let's go.